Number 3. Learn Cebuano pronouns. In this video, we're going to learn about Cebuano pronouns. Pronouns are important because they take the place of nouns and help make our sentences shorter and more efficient. The first type of pronouns is personal pronouns. These are pronouns that refer to people or things. Are you ready to learn? Let's get started. Ako, ko, I or me. Ikaw, ka, you. Siya, he or she. Kami, me. We or us. Kamo, mo. You, plural. Kita, ta. Us, plural. Sila, they or them. Now let's practice each pronoun and please repeat after me. Ako, ko. Ko, ko. Ako, ko. Now let's use ako or ko in a sentence. Ako si Orion. I am Orion. Buutan ko. I am kind. Muadto ko sa palengke. I am going to the market. Gigutom ko. I am hungry. Ikaw, ka. Ikaw, ka. Ikaw, ka. Now let's use ikaw or ka in a sentence. Ikaw ba ang tag-iya, ani? Are you the owner of this? Maayo ka. You are good. Ikaw ang sunod. You are next. Siya. 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 Now let's use siya in a sentence. Bright siya. He or she is smart. Nidaog siya sa loto. He or she won the lottery. Kauban nimo siya? Are you guys together? Kami. Me. Ka-mi. Me. Kami. Me. Now let's use kami or me in a sentence. Amigo mi. We are friends. Kauban mi. We are together. Nidaog mi sa dula. We won the game. Kamo. Mo. Ka. Mo. Mo. Kamo. Mo. Now let's use kamo or mo in a sentence. Kaila mo? Do you know each other? Mulakaw mo? Are you guys going? Muuban mo? Are you guys coming? Kita. Ta. Kita. Ta. Kita. ta. Now let's use kita or ta in a sentence. Kusgan ta. We are strong. Mag-inom ta unya. We are drinking later. Kinahanglan ta nila. They need us. Sila. 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 Now let's use sila in a sentence. Nagdula sila sa park. They are playing at the park. Mukaon sila sa restaurant. They will eat at the restaurant. Nagistorya sila. They are talking. Great job! The second type of pronouns is possessive pronouns. These are pronouns that shows ownership or possession. Ako or akua. Mine. Imo. Yours. Iya. His or hers. Amo. Amua. Ours. Inyo. Yours, plural. Ila. Theirs. Now let's practice each possessive pronouns. Please repeat after me. Ako. Akua. Ako. Akua. Ako. Akua. Now let's use ako or akua in a sentence. Akua na. That's mine. Asa ang akua? Where is mine? Ako ni? Is this mine? Imo. 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 Now let's use imo in a sentence. Imo. Imo ni? Is this yours? Nindot ang imo. Yours is beautiful. Asa imong amigo? Where is your friend? Iya. 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 Let's use iya in a sentence. Iya ni? Is this his or hers? Iya ng bag. That's his, her bag. Dako ang iya. His, hers is big. Amo. Amua. Amo. Amua. Amo. Amua. Now let's use amo or amua in a sentence. Amo ng balay. That's our house. Init ang adlaw sa among lugar. The sun is hot in our place. Amua siguro na. I think that's ours. Inyo. 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 Let's use inyo in a sentence. Inyo ni? Is this yours? Plural. Muadto mi sa inyo unya. We are going to your house later. Unsang naa sa inyo? What is there at your house? Ila. 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 Now let's use ila in a sentence. Ila. Ila ng yuta. That's their land. Muapil ka sa ila? Are you joining them? Sa ila ta mukuyog. We are going with them. Excellent! You did a fantastic job learning 2 kinds of Cebuano pronouns today. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep using these pronouns in your daily conversation. See you on the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe on how I can make your learning experience better. Thank you and salamat!